This could be the car for you. The 2018 Volkswagen Atlas. With less than 30,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Take a tour of this spacious, comfortable Volkswagen Atlas, the midsize SUV that offers your family a world of convenience and capability. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: electronic stability control, trip computer, power windows, bucket seats, four-wheel disc brakes, power steering. Take every task in stride in this can-do Atlas. Come in for a fun and easy test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.